Chef here, quick recipe for you, making some garlic beef. If you want to know how I marinated this garlic beef, right here, refer to the other video and you're going to find that. It's looking really good. It smells really good. And now I'm going to heat up my wok and get these other ingredients going. We've got some carrots right here. We've got some mushrooms. We've got, of course, garlic. Gotta have garlic. Got some onions, and I'm going to be adding a cup of beef stock here, so follow along. Salad oil, garlic, shallots, onions, looking good. White rice. Adding some beef stock. Soy sauce. And of course, we're thickening with a little cornstarch and water. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. The finished garlic beef, a little bit of rice. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And a quick garnish. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Is garlic beef. This is going to be good. All right. I'm going to cover and refrigerate this. And stay tuned for the next video. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Either one. Once again, this right here is red oak with the varnish. So here we've added the walnut stain as well as the clear coat of food safe varnish. So if you need either of these, just visit your sponsor right there. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and most of all, have a beautiful day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor. chefdepot.com.